smoke blocking it?
Yeah, but those are flashbangs. They don't like form anything.
They don't what?
Form anything. They're just flashbangs.
Wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
See?
Is that a cloud?
I don't know. I think it's a cloud. I don't think that's smoke. I think that's an actual cloud. Because it's not moving.
Drone knows how you see
There's
that.
2 of them.
Probably recording it for a YouTube video.
Well, that's what I'm recording for, buddy. That's what I'm recording for, yeah, so you can post on YouTube.
To the end?
I hope they're sitting on the actual curb and not in our grass. That's where Emily likes to poop.
Yeah. I hope they're sitting on the curb. America forever! The dogs aren't crazy.
Especially Emily. Trixie, she's probably used to this.
Yeah,
Emily, on the other hand, is probably going nuts.
yeah. She's probably like whining and stuff.
I'm gonna have to give her extra lovin's tonight.
Yeah. There's no way to make her miss that one. From America.
I only see 2. Oh, I see 3 now.
Yeah.
Frank, there's 3 of them now.
Case, you think you would like to get in the drones?
He wants to bad, but we can't afford one. You're looking at $300 for a good one.
We could go on TV on
Yeah, Uncle James got one off of Temu and it wasn't very well.
You don't like it?
No, he don't. It doesn't go up very high, and he doesn't. After a certain amount of feet away, he doesn't have control. I think it's like 50 feet away. He loses control of it.
They're like 200 feet above the sky.
Mhm.
They just came real nice to us on good products.
Well, the nail kit that we got Mara is working out wonders.
That's good.
She loves it.
She's still using it?
Yeah. She loves the UV light too.
Okay. Somebody's barking.
Yeah.
Probably dogs downhill.
Mhm. Wonder how Emily's doing.
I have a film of myself.
You ever hear from the long guy?
I wish I had a film in there.
No, I haven't.
Check up on her.
I just have to wait for my car to come in the mail.
What are they recording it, you think?
Oh yeah,
Um,
the drones are recording it live onto YouTube.
okay.
Possibly.
A lot of people have YouTube channels around here, buddy. Trust me on that one. Mama talks to a lot of people every day. Mm-hmm. No. Because Mom doesn't have all the time in the world to talk to people. Only during checking them out. You know, scanning their items and stuff. Can you see, Chase? Okay. Michael, can you scoot over just a tad? Over here. Right there. Fine. Good.
That's great. And so can see the fireworks. That one looks like a ring.
One above us, Chase, look.
Mm-hmm.
Look up.
Whoa!
That is it.
High up there!
And then there's two over there still.
Those ones look like rings.
Looks like what?
Rings.
Mm-hmm.
the scissor pose.
Mm-hmm.
Like in rock, paper, scissors.
At least we ain't gotta fight traffic.
I know, right? I love
That's
that.
what I about ready to say.
Mhm.
At least we don't have to fight the traffic getting back home. We right here.
Yep.
We
Because
right
we're
here.
close to the park.
Mm-hmm. I didn't know if you wanted a chair or not.
I'm fine.
That one looks like Among Us.
A lot of gunpowder and TNT, buddy.
Oh, don't forget about colorful sticks.
That too.
I think you can make your own firework at home.
I doubt it.
Just get permission and so basically you're gonna have a cool firework on your hand.
Poor Emily, she doesn't have the bed to go crawl under. I shut the
I
door.
don't think they hear it.
Dogs have better hearing than we do.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
They'll probably hear the air conditioner.
They ain't running from the traffic. Didn't seem like
Slow
it
the
bother.
fuck down, dude. There is.
There was a cop on the street telling people to stop and stuff.
That dude needs to slow down. There's too many people around. Ouch. I'm getting bit. In my own yard. I'm getting bit up in my own yard. What the heck?
The dogs are not supposed to be. It's surprising wrong.
Do I have to record the whole thing? Or 15 minutes long enough?